Good evening, candidates. This video is for introducing CTDI magazine September issue to you. I have been telling you the importance of going through this magazine. This is supplement of, say, you are going through the circulars issued by RBI. So I suggest you go through this. Some of the important points that comes before my eyes I will just read out because I'm not going to cover the full magazine as it is. So some important points that come strikes my mind, my eyes, I will tell you. While crises cannot be averted, they can be managed with an appropriate combination of monetary and fiscal stimulus. On the monetary front, the RBI cut rates by 135 basis points between February 19 and February 20. The Monetary Policy Committee rapidly changed its monetary stance from calibrated tightening to neutral to accommodative, and this stand has continued even today. October 9th, the Monetary Policy Committee has made it more liberal or free for more accommodative in nature. On fiscal policy, government adopted for a counter-cyclical approach. In the previous year, the central fiscal deficit escalated to 4.5% and is likely to get closer to 7% in financial year 21. Apart from easy liquidity to non-banking finance companies and stressed households with government guarantees, it announced additional fiscal outlay, which included fiscal support to farmers, MSMEs, and migrant laborers. This paragraph is important on the first page. And here, this is positive attitude alone, I can say, but together we can talk. Alone I can enjoy, but together we can celebrate. Alone I can smile, but together we can laugh. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. Positive attitude is not for sale. You cannot buy it. It comes from within. It comes from within. Then prospects for second page, prospects for 2020-21. As per RBI, there are two key challenges. The ability to consume and willing to consume are different. For growth to return and consumer spending to pick up, it will require the ability and willingness to spend. Secondly, supply chains are still under pressure as labor is reluctant in coming back from villages. These add to the strain on growth in fiscal 2020-21. All those going for interviews, you must by heart all these things. The massive stimulus has a negative side effect. The overall stimulus was 5.1% in case of emerging markets and 19.1% in the case of developed economies. This $6.5 trillion liquidity boost has created a big problem of asset inflation, which is evident in most equity indices scaling lifetime peaks. Key points for financial health of banks. RBI undertook several regulatory initiatives to reduce the economic impact of COVID-19 pandemic. This included moratorium on loan installments, deferment of interest payments, and restructuring. These initiatives may have implications for the health of banks, unless they are closely monitored and judiciously used. These measures have averted a big spike in non-performing assets till now. Apart from this, one more thing has also come recently. Up to 2 crores loan accounts, there is no interest on interest, no compound interest for the arrears of installments. So that is also an effect that will affect the banks. RBI, in its July 2020 Financial Stability Report, had warned that NPAs of all scheduled commercial banks may increase from 8.5% in March 2020 to 12.5 by March 21. In the severe pandemic situation, NPS may also worsen to as high as 14.7%. Bank frauds, this is again another area which is causing concern. Slow economic recovery is another concern. And here in this page, they are telling about how the say return to worrying trend, greater tolerance for loose lending. Lending has been loose. About that, comments have been given. Then lot of stories are given about COVID related stresses. I'm sure you must be experiencing it in your bank branches also. Please go through these pages number 4, 5, also number 6. Here, this page will be useful for candidates appearing for credit officers program, resolution of framework for COVID-19 related threats, financial parameters. The Reserve Bank had set up an expert committee with Shri K.V. Kamath for recommending a list of financial parameters which would be required to be factored into the assumptions that go into each resolution plan. So many things they have given: key ratio, total outside liabilities divided by adjusted tangible net worth, then total debt by EBITDA, current ratio, debt service coverage ratio, average debt service coverage ratio. So kindly go through all this. Then here in this page number 7, they are telling about the new privatization policy for and against. Arguments in favor, arguments against. They have been given. Kindly go through that also. Then PJ Nayak committee recommendations. They say repeal the Bank Nationalization Act, SBI Act. This is because the acts required the government to have 50% share in the banks. After the above acts are repealed, government should set up a bank investment company as a holding company or a core investment company. There are several arguments put by committee towards bringing government share below 50%. Firstly, with reduction of government share below 50% in PSBs, banks will be freed from external vigilance by the CVC. Secondly, government share below 50 would end the government's diktat. Thirdly, this will bring PSBs on par with private sector. But all this is not correct. All this is not correct because even though Yes Bank is 100% private sector bank, government wanted to take care of that. Otherwise, it would have affected the economy. So there is no fun in making it private. It is not going to help us. This is my view, personal view. Yeah. Then restructuring of advances, page number 9. Please go through this. Again, you have to study. I am not going to dictate this to you. Online dispute resolution system for digital payments. Then loans against gold ornaments and jewelry for non-agricultural end users. See, this is what that IOB manager was telling, that now they are giving 90% instead of 75%. She was also telling some abbreviation. I have forgotten that. What is that? LTV, loan to value. Yeah, that manager was telling this. This is good. Then they have given some points regarding inflation, key highlights, and all that on page 10. Please go through that. Page 11 is not important for us. Page 12, here again, based on this, an interview question was asked in IOB about ease of doing business report. It seems that report has been suspended. World Bank has stopped the publication of doing business report. As per the last report, India was ranked at 63, New Zealand being the top one. So that is why they have asked in that interview about ease of doing business report. So SBI, CBO, Karnataka Bank, please go through this. PM's new private secretary Hardik Shah IAS. Australia to make Google and Facebook pay for news content. Swatch Sarvekshan 2020. Virtual Museum of Securities Market. Khadi's gift box of silk mask. Automated voice assistant AXAA. Government bans import of 101 defense items. Cormo app in India. Google has launched its employment application named Cormo Jobs. Transparent taxation honoring the honest. Krishi Meg, National Agricultural Research Education System Cloud Infrastructure Service, has been launched by Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Positive pay. This, I think I have posted a video on this. Ayush for immunity. Shaurya KGC card. Digital Apna Yen. Punjab National Bank. National Recruitment Agency. Green Deposit Program. Bharat Craft for MSMEs. Please go through page number 12 thoroughly. All those appearing for SBI, CBO, Karnataka Bank, PO, Credit Officers Program, IBPS PO, everybody must read this page number 12. Performance of Indian economy. This also kindly go through. Yeah. Now this again, retail payment system. RBI opens door to private sector. Home buyers cannot invoke insolvency process to recover RERA awards. People's Bank of China picks up stake in ICICI Bank. RBI transfers its surplus to the government. UK officially in recession. UPI will surpass Visa MasterCard in 3 years. Rupees 2000 notes were not printed. Dinesh Kara said to be the next SBI chief. UBI to divest stake in India First Life. These are source for RBI circulars. Please go through page number 15. Also, those who are interested in knowing more about banking, kindly work out this bookkeeping and account exercise with answers they are given. Then comes recollected questions. Some of the questions that are asked. Bearer uncrossed check can be paid to whom? To the bearer of the check. In PMRY, what is the income criteria for borrower's family and borrower's parent? No criteria. The increasing foreign exchange reserves are costly because forex funds are idle. Who is appointed to tackle public companies against public authorities? Ombudsman. What is Nostro? FCNRB deposit can be accepted by banks in all convertible currencies. An NRI can open a joint account with a resident in case of non-resident ordinary. The minimum capital adequacy ratio implemented in India by RBI is 9%, and as per Basel Committee recommendation it is 8%. What type of charge is applicable to loan against term deposits in a bank? Loan against term deposit? It's not assignment, it's a pledge. Here it is wrong. Garnishee order is not applicable on unused cash credit or overdraft limit. Islamic banking has the features of conservative banking. In B region, that is for say Rashtra Bhasha, the reply of letters in Hindi is given to the extent of 100%. Apiculture relates to beekeeping. In case of penalty operated joint account, nominee can obtain payment when none of the account holder is alive. Call money deposit is a part of the organized sector. The long-term liability to tangible net worth ratio implies long-term solvency of the firm or capacity of the firm to pay long-term debt. Total indebtedness ratio. Current ratio implies capacity of the firm to pay current liabilities out of current assets. Working capital requirement of a firm is required to be met through short-term sources and surplus of long-term sources over long-term users. Who cannot become a partner in partnership firm as per Supreme Court judgment HUF Hindu Undivided Family? What is the maximum period for which an account can be classified as substandard can remain in this category? 12 months. A company wants to electronically pay the dividend to large number of shareholders, which includes small amounts also. Electronic clearing service, credit, ECS credit. A check is written in different handwritings in different lengths. It will be paid if other things are in order. Opening of non-resident accounts by RRBs has been allowed by RBI. Bailment of goods by a person to another person to secure a loan is called pledge. Mutual funds are controlled by Securities Exchange Board of India. When mortgage is created by a person by deposit of title deed, orally it is called equitable mortgage. Which crossing is not a general crossing when the name of the bank is written with or without parallel lines. Buy now, pay later is the facility available under credit card. A financial statement that provides information regarding where the funds have come and where these have been used over a period of time. Funds flow statement. Who can open NRE account? NRI. A mandate holder for a current account has died and a check signed by him is presented for payment after the death. The check shall be paid because the mandate holder only has signed, the account holders are alive. The true owner of a check has been deprived of his right by collection of the checks for a different person. This is called conversion. A bank branch receives a counterfeit note of rupees 2000 which customer wants back. What the bank should do to be impounded. For FCNRB deposits, the exchange risk is borne by. Earlier I read it is RBI, it is given bank. Beneficial owner under KYC can be a body of individual person, natural persons who whether acting alone or together or through one or more judicial person exercises control through ownership who ultimately has a controlling ownership interest of more than 15%. SLR is defined under which section? Section 24(2) of Banking Regulation Act. Interest at nil is given by RBI on CRR balanced. If Less than 5 number of counterfeit notes are detected in single transaction. A consolidated report has to be sent to police station on a monthly basis. What is the risk weight in case of staff loan secured by mortgage or superannuation benefits? 20% risk coverage. Mortgage means transfer of interest in a specific immovable property for securing repayment of a debt. What is the premium in case of PMFSY? Fasal Bima Yojana 1.5% for Rabi, 2% for Kharif. What is that? Pradhan Mantri Faisal Bima Yojana. Faisal PMFSY. What is PMFSY? Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Yeah. What is the rate of TDS in case of savings bank account, deposit account as per income tax? TDS is not applicable in savings bank account except it is in the case of NRO it is applicable. What is the rate of TDS in case of customer does not submit PAN card and 15G 15H? 20%. What increases the capital of a person? Profit. To reduce its foreign currency in case of overdue export bill, banks should do crystallization. Banks undertake BEP analysis to assess margin for safety. Bullion dealers in which risk category? Very high. Bullion dealers, politicians, very high. Under PMEGP scheme, maximum project set for service sector 10 lakhs. Risk weight and advances backed by state government guarantee, that also 20%. CRR is defined in which section? 42(1). Cash payment of rupees 20,000 and above in case of FDR is restricted under section 269T of Income Tax Act. Protection to paying bank in case of material alteration is available in which section of NI Act? Section 89. Protection to collecting bank is available under which section of NI Act? Section 131 of NI Act. Full form of CVV, customer verification value. Full form of USSD, unstructured supplementary service data. Also, please go through page number 20, current general knowledge, especially candidates appearing for IBPS PO, IBPS clerk. Please go through this page number 20. Now, bank rate is 4.25%, weighted average lending rate 8%, CRR 3%, forex reserves rupees in crore, in dollars in million 541 billion, SLR 18%, repo rate 4%, reverse repo 3.35, MSF 4.25, scheduled commercial bank total deposits this much crores. I don't know how much it is. Please see that. Similarly, total credit deposit ratio is 70.29%. Thank you so much, candidates. This is very important. Kindly go through this CTDI September. In fact, you can go through August, July, June also.